Facebook for our business, but I think it's time to add Instagram to our social media platform. Until this past week, I personally not used Instagram. I'm finding it very different from Facebook and a bit disorienting. Do you have any tips? Thanks for advice. So Instagram is a little different. I would be the first to say I have not mastered it. My customers are not typically on Instagram yet. I think the basics are that you have to talk to them, not tell them. You're trying to tell stories and show them. They have to be visual. You know, when I interviewed Becky Tyre from Retail Details, she went through and talked about how displays have to be Instagrammable. It's that exact same idea. It's really in that square format, and you can really show what you're able to do. I think you have to go through and show but don't tell. And you have, the easiest way I always do it is follow somebody else. So when you find somebody you really like, start following their account and see what they do and see the interactions. Also the other thing that a lot of people miss is up in your description, make sure it's a clickable link so that they know where they go. And it's not necessarily just to your homepage, but maybe it's to a blog with some tips or something where you might have a CTA that gets them into your, there it is again, your email list. So I hope that helps.